You know, the focus has really been on the football program and the coaches, but now it is expected to shift back to the victims. And our Bo Zimmer is here. You had a chance to talk to a well-known legal expert about how all of this could impact those who are accused.
Yeah, Heather. Barry Cohen is the outspoken attorney here in Tampa who normally represents all of those people who are accused of very serious crimes. Well, tonight, in the wake of this sex scandal up at Penn State, he says he'd actually rather represent the victims rather than those accused.
This is a very traumatic experience for these children, which could have been avoided if this coach had done the right thing.
Barry Cohen says while the attention has been on Coach Paterno and the reputation of Penn State football, the focus will soon shift to the victims, who could go after the head coach for not doing more.
How much liability are we talking about here?
Depends on the skill of the lawyer, but I can tell you, millions and millions of dollars.
And it's not just Coach Paterno facing lawsuits.
Penn State would also be liable. They knew about it, and they failed to disclose it. They protected their own for the wrong reason.
Cohen says Penn State could even lose federal funding for not reporting the crimes, and he says that would be just the beginning.
And your goal would be to send such a strong message that no other university in the country would ever make this same mistake again.
That's the goal. That the consequences would be so severe financially that every school in this country would say, hey, we better make sure that our people are conscious and sensitive to doing the right thing.
And the legal ramifications in all this could go on for years, meaning Penn State's scandal-free sterling reputation could be affected for many years to come. Heather?
Right, on that campus as well as it may spread throughout, where people then adopt a program where it's mandatory to report, or they at least make it easier for people to file anonymous reports just to at least get some investigations going.
And that's what Barry Cohen says is the reason for a lot of these high-priced lawsuits. That is the motivating factor that will make some of these colleges and universities, other businesses, even churches adopt policies where people have to report what they see when a child becomes a victim.
Yeah, and I know a lot of parents are also just kind of questioning who their kids are with. You know, the sports, the coaches, camps, things like that.
And it's really a shame too, because I do big brothers, big sisters.
Right.
I don't want to be thought of as someone who might be affecting a child's life, but that is the reality. And today, everyone is a suspect when it comes to young people.
And asking a lot of questions. And by the way, we made it easy for you parents to go to our website, WTSP.com. We have some tips on how to protect your kids from predators, some signs to look for when they're away from home.